I just want to say, you I don't know where I am. I'm asking you what is my destination if you would guide me. I have to ask you your destination and say you always at your destination. It's me, the network for now. This is 7 days outside my door now. So this is the end of your time now. Why are you yelling at me, pressing it? Something to do with me, but you're not to yell at me. You are not to yell at me. Do it, do it, do it. You are facing like fucking hell. You are facing out of my door. I'm facing a fucking hell. Down, down. You're facing down. You have the right to scream at me. I will fucking talk to you. You can't do what I want. Hey, yes, I fucking will. And I have the right. Wherever you have us go, ready to bring you out of my car. Can you get out of my car, please?